Hello Wealth Queen, welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that's been turning heads, stopping conversations, and quite frankly, leaving some vendors in absolute shock. Yes, I'm talking about bone straight hair. The hair that has been taking the industry by storm. This hairstyle has redefined what premium hair extensions should be. It's slick, flawless, low maintenance, and effortlessly luxurious. In this video, I will share why bone straight hair is the most sought after hair type in the market right now. Here in Blessedluv, we are so in love with bone straight and super double drawn hair that we are committed to changing our entire stock collection to focus on these two game-changing hair types. Why? You must be thinking, because nothing else compares to it. I've been wearing my bone straight hair, this one, for over 1 year now. And honestly, I can't imagine wearing anything else. And trust me, once you try it, you won't either. First of all, the beauty of bone straight hair is unmatched. It gives you that silky, glass-like finish that turns head wherever you go. Whether you are at work, at an event, or just running errands, this hair radiates elegance. But it's not just about the looks. This hair is also low maintenance. You wake up, give it a quick brush, and you're ready to go. You will experience no tangling, no excessive shedding, no fuss. If you live a busy life, but you also want to look your best, this is your ultimate solution. The longevity, oh, let me tell you, my queen, bone straight hair can last you more than 5 years. 5 years. If you care for it properly. That's why it's perfect, not just for everyday wear, but also for salon owners and hairstylists looking to offer their clients a premium product. Imagining offering your clients hair that lasts 5 years or more is a no-brainer. Now, before we go any further, I have to share some exciting news. This video is sponsored by us, Blessedluv. And to officially launch our luxury bone straight hair collection, we are holding the biggest online hair party sales. It's happening live on the 1st and 2nd of every month, and this is where you will get your luxury bone straight hair for half the price. Yes, queen, for half the price. You won't find a better deal than this, no way. To join our free VIP hair party WhatsApp group, click the link in the description or my pinned comment. Don't miss out. Now let's talk about why this hair is shaking up the industry. It's no secret that China has dominated the hair market for centuries. But let's be honest, we've all had a bad experience from buying from Chinese vendors, right? Tangling, poor quality, misleading descriptions. It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the thing, the game has changed. Just like TikTok shook up social media, bone straight hair is doing the same to the hair industry. So why settle for less when you can have the best? But I must warn you, once you start wearing bone straight hair, you would never want to wear another hair type again because the difference in quality is clear. Bone straight hair isn't just a trend, it's a movement. It's about looking flawless, feeling confident, and investing in quality that lasts. For salon owners, stylists, or even queens like you who want to elevate their everyday look, this is the hair that delivers on every promise. And with Blessedluv, you can trust that every strand has been ethically sourced. I've personally visited the factories to ensure the quality. So when I say this hair is premium, I mean it. My queen, don't get left behind. Bow straight hair is taking over, and I want you to experience the difference. I'm going to create a series on bow straight hair. Let me know what videos you would like me to make for you. Remember, my queen, rise in faith, reign in wealth. This is your destiny. Say amen.